We are continuing with the similarity. Here the question is, D and E are the points on the sides AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. For each of the following cases, state whether DE is parallel to BC, right? So let's take the case first and draw a triangle like this, where he's saying that we have a triangle ABC and D and E are the points on the sides AB and AC respectively. D is on the side AB, E is on the side AC, right? So now we have to prove that if the measurements of the sides of the triangle ABC are these, then prove whether DE is parallel to BC. Now, we have learnt in the previous questions that if AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, we can say that DE is parallel to BC. In fact, we were doing the reverse, right? DE was given parallel to BC. Then when they were parallel, these two lines were parallel, we used to say that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC by basic proportionality theorem. Now, in this case, we have to prove if AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, then only DE will be parallel to BC. That's the converse of that theorem, right? So let's see whether DE is parallel to BC in the first case. We should be having this condition satisfied. So let's first substitute the value for AD as 5.7. We'll take the left hand side part, which is AD by DB, 5.7. BD is 9.5. This and this will go. So this will go by 19. 19 3s are and 19 5s are. So we got 3 by 5 in the left hand side. So let's check for the right hand side whether AE by EC is also equal to 3 by 5 or not. Okay, what is AE? AE is 3.6. So I'll put 3.6 here. What is my EC? EC is 6. So if I remove this, I'll get 0 here. So 6 6s are, 6 10s are, 2 3s are, 2 5s are. Oh, I got left hand side equal to right hand side. So I got AD, I will write, therefore AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Therefore DE is parallel to BC. I have proved this, right? Now, for the second part. For the second part, again we have a triangle. Measurements are different, so we will draw these triangles again and again. So I have ABC, in which D and E are the points on the sides AB and AC respectively. Now here AB is given 5.6. Entire AB is given 5.6. AD is given 1.4, right? AD is 1.4. So can I calculate this BD? Yes. BD will be AB minus AD. So my BD will be 5.6 minus 1.4. So BD will be 4.2. So this is my BD, 4.2 centimeters. So then I'll come to this side. Entire AC is given 9.6 centimeters and EC is given 2.4 centimeters, right? EC is given 2.4 centimeters. So I want AE. So can I calculate AE? Yes, AC minus EC. So my AE will be, AC is 9.6 minus 2.4. So that is 7.2 centimeters, right? Now, I will check if AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, then I can say that DE is parallel to BC. So let me check. I'll take the left hand side part first. So for that I have AD upon DB. Let me check how much is that. AD is 1.4. BD I have found 4.2. So decimal and decimal will go. 14 threes are 14 ones are 14 threes are. So I have got this as 1 upon 3. Right? Now let me check this part. AE upon EC. This should also come 1 upon 3 if DE is parallel to BC. Now what is my AE? 7.2. And what is my EC? EC is 2.4. Right? So this and this will go. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 3 8s are 8 3s are. Oh, I got this as 3 by 1. Right? So you can say therefore AD by DB is not equal to AE by EC. Hence DE is not parallel to BC. Right? Second part also done. Now for the third part, again we'll draw the triangle here and let's see what we are given. Here we have D and this is my E. AB is given 11.7 centimeters. BD is given 5.2 centimeters. So can I calculate AD? Yes. How? AB minus BD. So my AD will be 11.7 minus 5.2. So AD will be 7 minus 2 is 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. So 6.5 centimeters is my AD. Then AC, entire AC is given 9.6 centimeters and EC is given 2.4 centimeters. Right? EC is given 2.4 centimeters. So I need AE. So I can calculate AE as AC minus EC. So my AE will be, AC is 9.6, EC is 2.4. So AE will be 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7.2 centimeters. Right? Now let me check whether AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Fine. What is my AD? 6.5. And what is my DB? 5.2. This and this will go. 13 5s are 13 4s are. So I got this as 5 by 4. Right? Then I have to check for AE by EC. What is my AE? 7.2 upon what is my EC? 2.4. This and this will go. So 24 3s are. So I got AE by EC as 3. But AD by DB as 5 by 4. So you can write therefore AD by DB is not equal to AE by EC. Therefore DE is not parallel to BC. Right? Third part also we have answered. Now we will answer the fourth part. So what is given in the fourth part? In the fourth part we have triangle ABC. DE is parallel to D and E are 2 points on the sides AB and AC. AB, entire AB is given 10.8 centimeters. BD is given 4.5 centimeters. So we can calculate AD as AB minus BD. So AD will be 10.8 minus 4.5. So my AD will be 8 minus 5 is 3. 10 minus 4 is 6.3 centimeters. Right? So AC is given 4.8. AC is 4.8 centimeters and AE is given 2.8 centimeters. So I can calculate EC. How? AC minus AE. So EC will be, AC is 4.8 and AE is 2.8. So my EC will be 2, right? Now let me check what is AD upon DB. AD upon DB is 6.3 upon DB is 4.5, right? This and this will go. So I got 63 upon 45. 9 sevens are 9 fives are. So I got this as 7 by 5. Now let me check what is AE by EC. AE is 2.8. EC is 2.0, right? So this will become point and point will go. So 28 by 20. So this will become 2 14s are 2 10s are 2 7s are 2 5s are. Oh, I got AE by EC equal to AD by DB. Therefore, I can say DE is parallel to BC.